Hey, this is Andrew for Wilkins Harley-Davidson. We're showcasing one of our Rinehart exhausts. Over here is the DBX45 from Rinehart. We have it in chrome with black end caps, black with black end caps, black with chrome end caps, any kind that you want. And today we're going to be doing a sound comparison versus the stock M8 touring mufflers. Take a listen. So after test riding both of these models, I can firmly say I like the DBX45s from Rinehart a lot better. They sound a lot more throaty and guttural, like a Hellcat coming out from the spawns of hell itself. I love that sound. So we also have some Rinehart head pipes coming in and air cleaners as well. You can get them for your Softails, you can get them for your Tourings, you can even get them for your Sportsters if you want. Come on down, take a look.